Okay, welcome back everybody. So I'm back on the Pierre Cardin. It's been a while. So much has been going on here at the shop. I finally got my chance to be back on this and get some work done to it. So we're gonna try and get the water pump done today. We got the thermostat and everything in. I know, yeah, it's an easy job to do, so no big deal. I got a little bit of cleaning, as you guys can see, for the surface. So I gotta get that taken care of. Scrub that up, break parts, clean it, because we've already got the new gasket and everything on the water pump. There's the old one. So we'll get everything transferred over. We got all the nuts in their proper positions. And we kind of do that because, as you can tell, some of them are studs, some of them are just regular bolts, and it's just easier to keep track of them. So you always transfer them over one at a time and put them in where they belong. It really does make life so much easier. It really does. So, but on that note, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be kind of a short one. I'm going to get the water pump done today, get that mating service done, try and get the hoses on and ready to go for the radiator so we can start getting this thing back together and hopefully drive it soon. I would love to see this thing driven. I've never heard it running and I've never seen it driven. It came from another shop to us to do the finishing work on. So yeah, this will be super, super cool. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we've got the water pump on, and now we're just getting ready to put the accessories back on, get everything start bolted into place, and routing hoses, so we're good to go that way. But this one's going to be a super, super short one, only because I'm trying to get as much done before I leave, and I leave here in a little bit. So old water pump, crank pulley. We're gonna start mounting everything and getting everything taken care of. Yes, yay, thank you, finally. But I'm pumped. But yeah, no more fun and games, back to work, back to work.